Eat healthy, live healthy. Maintaining a healthy diet is essential to keep our mind and body fit. Today's recipe is one among them and is a must to include in a daily diet. What better way to nourish yourself by munching on some healthy, crispy and yummy ragi dosas that are instant and requires no preparation time. I'll be sharing amazing benefits of ragi as well, so stay tuned till the end. Hello dears, Namaste and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Let's get straight to making ragi dosas. To prepare the batter, we need 1 cup of finger millets or ragi flour, 1 cup of semolina, rava or suji, whatever you call, half cup of rice flour and half cup of yogurt. Now yogurt is optional. You can just use water and skip using yogurt. Season with some salt. To spice this up, let's add a few more ingredients. First goes in cumin seeds and then goes in finely chopped onions, grated carrot, crushed ginger. You can also add chopped green chilies, coriander leaves, curry leaves if you wish to. Finally, add pepper powder. These toppings will add to the taste of the dosa that would otherwise taste bland. Now pour enough water to make a thin lump-free batter. It should have that flowing consistency similar to rava dosa batter. Cover and rest the batter for around 20 minutes. That's it. You're all set to use the batter and make some crispy dosas. For that, heat a skillet on high flame. Once hot, set the heat to medium-high and brush some oil. Mix the batter properly as the flour tends to settle down. Take a ladle full of batter and pour it from top in a scattered fashion like I am doing. Now gradually fill in the larger gaps with more batter. This dosa has those tiny holes all over like a mesh similar to the rava dosa. Drizzle a little oil. Flip it over when one side is brown. Fold and remove once done. Now mix the batter well and start making the remaining dosas following the same process. Coming to the health benefits, ragi is a wonder grain and can be placed at the pinnacle of food grains because of its high nutritional value. It is one of the best non-dairy sources of calcium for people who are lactose intolerant. It is an excellent food for diabetic patients. The low glycemic index lessens food cravings and maintains a digestive pace, consequently keeping blood sugar within the safe range. Ragi is also one of the very few natural sources of vitamin D, which is mostly derived from sunlight. Ragi reverts skin aging. It works wonders for maintaining young and youthful skin. It battles anemia as it is an excellent source of natural iron and thus a boon for anemic patients. Regular consumption of ragi is highly beneficial in dealing with conditions of anxiety, depression and insomnia, and the list continues. How good is this recipe? Healthy breakfast ready in no time. Enjoy these dosas hot with chutney, though they do not necessarily require any accompaniment. Do give me a thumbs up if you like this recipe, share it with your family and friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Ring that bell and select all to get notified on upcoming videos. Take care, stay healthy and happy.